Hi, grade 5. This is Mrs. Dalal. Today we are going to do a listening activity. I want you to open your pupil's book, Unit 9, page 30, and look at the text in number 7. When you open this page, you will see this text. But now I am going to read for you a different text that you do not have in your books. So that's why I want you to listen, students, very carefully to what I am going to read now. And when I finish reading my text, I am going to read you the letter that you have in front of you in your book. And I want you to find 3 mistakes, only 3 mistakes in this letter. So I repeat, I am going to read a text, not this text. You don't have the text in your books. You have to listen only. And when I finish reading, I am going to read the letter, and I want you students to find the 3 mistakes in this letter. Okay, so I am going to start reading my text. Listen very carefully, students. Here we are at the basketball match. Manchester are playing today against Cardiff. Now the match is starting again. Omar is throwing the ball to Mazen. Mazen is throwing the ball to Firas. Now Firas wants to put the ball into the basket and win a point. Yes, he throws the ball into the basket. Manchester win 3 points. The score is 43-22. 43 points for Manchester and 22 points for Cardiff. Manchester win the game. Well done, Manchester. Next week, Manchester are playing Birmingham. Okay, so this is the text that I have. Now I am going to read the letter for you. Dear Uncle Bashar, how are you? I'm very well. I went to a basketball match with Dad on Saturday. It was great. Manchester played Birmingham. It was very exciting. Manchester won the match. The score was 33-22. Manchester scored 2 points at the end of the match. Next week, they're playing Cardiff. We're going to see that match too. Would you like to come? Best wishes, Hussam. Now you can read to the text that I have read again, and then you have to find the 3 and only 3 mistakes in this letter. So when you find the mistakes, I want you to correct them on the book. Correct them on the book. Underline them and correct them. And when you finish, I want you to read the text, and what I mean here, to read the letter that you have in front of you many times after you correct the mistakes. And good work, students. I will be sending you the correct answers in 5 days, which means next Saturday.